Want to research stocks like a smarter investor without spending hours reading confusing financial reports? Then this tutorial is for you, because today I'm showing you how to use Zacks Investment Research in 2026 and why so many investors still rely on it for stock analysis and investment ideas. Zacks Investment Research is an online platform that helps investors research stocks using earnings data, analyst estimates, rankings, screeners, and market research tools. The platform is best known for something called the Zacks Rank, which scores stocks from strong buy to strong sell based mainly on earnings estimate revisions and analyst sentiment. To get started, go to the official Zacks website and create an account. There is a free version available, but some features require a premium subscription. Once you log in, you will land on the main dashboard, where you can search for any stock using the search bar at the top. For this demo, you can type a company name or stock ticker like Apple, Nvidia, or Tesla. After opening a stock page, you will immediately see one of the most important features on the platform, which is the Zacks Rank score. This ranking system is designed to help investors identify stocks that may outperform the market based on earnings momentum and analyst estimate changes. Below that, you can explore detailed information, including earnings growth, valuation metrics, analyst ratings, price targets, dividend information, and recent company news. One feature many investors like is the stock screener, because it allows you to filter stocks based on criteria like market cap, growth, valuation, industry, and performance. This can help you discover new investment ideas instead of only following popular stocks on social media. Another useful feature is the earnings calendar, which helps traders track upcoming company earnings reports that could move stock prices. Zacks also includes ETF research tools, portfolio tracking, educational articles, and market commentary for beginners and advanced investors. According to many online reviews, users appreciate how much information the platform provides in one place and how the ranking system makes stock research easier for casual investors. A lot of active traders especially like using Zacks during earnings season, because the platform focuses heavily on earnings surprises and estimate revisions. But to keep this tutorial honest, there are some downsides too. One of the biggest complaints online is the aggressive email marketing and constant promotions for premium services. Some users on Reddit also say that not every premium stock recommendation performs well, so you should never rely on any stock rating system blindly. Others feel the interface looks a little outdated compared to newer investing apps. Still, many investors agree that the research tools and data are valuable if you are serious about improving your investing process. Overall, if you want a beginner-friendly platform that helps simplify stock research and gives you access to rankings, screeners, and earnings-focused analysis, Zacks Investment Research is definitely worth trying in 2026. Just remember that no platform can guarantee profits, so always combine research tools with your own judgment before investing real money. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your favorite investing research platform right now.